Welcome to TechKnow Space. Meet our happy customers.
Honest to God, you guys saved the phone that was run over that I left on top of the car. Woohoo!
We repair all devices, including phones, tablets, laptops, and wearables, all under one roof. We provide quality repair solutions using state-of-the-art tools and training.
This place is worth it. They did it in 2 hours, and I'm happy as can be.
Awesome, thank you guys very much, and I'll be back for any future business. This is the one-stop shop for everything Apple and anything electronic.
They fixed my phone in less than an hour. I'm already on my way home.
1 day repair versus 3 months. It's good in my books.
I thought I'd never get it repaired. You guys did a wonderful job. Thank you.
They care about the people and they care about what matters to the people on these devices.